guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. So today I've just got a day off work and I thought I'd vlog for the day. So it's just a typical day in the life with us and a bit of an autumn vlog. So I hope you enjoy that, and if you are new to my channel, hi, my name's Michelle. I upload videos every single week on things like cooking, cleaning, vlogs, lifestyle hauls, a little bit of everything really. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And if you do like this kind of content, then please give this video a like and I will know to make more.
Arabella?
Daddy's done his, look! Wow! Oh, do you like it? Where should we put these? Like that? Yay! Oopsie! Good morning, guys. So we've had breakfast, haven't we? We had breakfast, yeah. So we're just going to make some cookies now. We'll see how we get on with that, because normally we get in an absolute mess. Shall we make some Halloween biscuits? Yeah. Let's put this on then. Right, then we need a bowl. It's not coming out very well, is it? Maybe you should have cut it more. There we go. That's it. Mix, mix, mix. Look, like that. That one doesn't work. Look, that's no, you don't need a butter. Look, that's it. With your hands, crumble.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's it. Roll it. That's Mummy's word, and that's Arabella's.
Arabella?
Arabella. Arabella's, yeah.
Arabella?
That's Arabella's.
Arabella?
Oh, Arabella wants Mummy's one. That's Mummy's rolling pin. Well done. Yay. So we got there in the end. This is our attempt at the little spooky men. So we're going to put these in the oven now to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Arabella's actually just gone down for a nap. So hopefully when she's up from a nap they'll be cooled down and then they'll be ready for us to decorate. Whilst Arabella has gone down for a nap, I'm just going to quickly wash up and clear up some of the mess we made, whilst Nick is going to go outside and mow the lawn just to give it the last mow of the season before winter. So we've just had a fire delivered. So I think I mentioned at the end of my last video, we're changing the living room round and basically building a TV firewall. So we've just had this delivered. It's a Gazgo fire. So it's quite a large fireplace with like the bark and the wood and everything in it. So it does look quite natural as well. And I'm super excited to get this done because work starts on it Monday. So this weekend will be spent basically sorting out the living room and getting everything ready for it to be built on Monday. We were going to eat food out, but because of Arabella's nap, we've just decided that we'll have food here. So Nick has just made an egg and crisp sandwich. I've never had well, I've had egg sandwich before, but not crisps in it. But he has promised me it will be amazing. So yeah, we're just going to have this and then we'll probably head off out. Tonight I'm going to make a butter chicken curry. It's one of my favourite curries to make because it's really nice, it's quite mild as well, so it's really good if you've got young children or children who don't maybe like kind of anything too spicy. So I'm just going to make the marinade quickly. So for this I've just got some chicken breast, coriander, smoked paprika, garam masala, ground cumin, garlic granules, and then I'll also need 150 ml of Greek style yogurt. And you basically just cut around 3 chicken breasts, put it all into a bowl and then leave it to marinate for a few hours, and then it's ready to cook later. So we just had lunch and now we're off out for a little bit. I just thought I'd show you our new car quickly. So this is the BMW X4. It is still like an SUV, but it's like the coupe version because it kind of slants down at the back here. So yeah, we got this yesterday and we're quite pleased with it so far. Just got home from a lovely afternoon out. I can't believe how quickly it got dark. All of a sudden it was like just pitch black. One minute it was like 3:30, the next minute 4 o'clock. It was pretty much, yeah, completely black. So we went to you'll have seen earlier that we went to Rutland Water, then we popped in the pub afterwards because felt like Mummy and Daddy needed a treat on their day off too. So we just popped in there, had a quick drink, and then we've just got home. We're going to make some dinner. So I'm going to make dinner now. So I've got the chicken that was marinating earlier, so I'm going to put that in the oven quickly whilst we get on and make the sauce and put the rice on, and then hopefully we'll have a bit of time to decorate the biscuits that we made earlier because we didn't get a chance to kind of decorate them before we went out. Place the chicken on a baking tray and cook it in the oven for around 15 minutes on 220 degrees until it's cooked. Meanwhile, you want to get on and make the sauce by melting around 20 grams of butter in a saucepan and then put in 1 onion which has been finely diced and fry that for around 3 to 4 minutes. You then want to add in 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree and 3 crushed garlic cloves. Then you want to cook that for around a further 3 minutes, stirring continuously, ensuring that it doesn't burn to the bottom. After 3 minutes, add in 200 ml of chicken stock and 100 grams of Greek yogurt. Let the sauce boil, then turn down the heat and simmer for around 5 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, then add it back into the pan, give it a good stir, then it's ready to serve with some rice and naan bread. Tidied up after dinner. Arabella's gone to bed now. We had a little play before she went to bed. The house is all nice and tidy. So it's Friday night, so we're just going to sit down, rock and roll with our hot chocolates. Probably just going to watch a bit of TV. Gogglebox is on, so we'll probably watch that. So we're watching a new series at the moment on Amazon Prime called This Is Us. We don't normally watch Prime that often. We normally stick to Netflix or just watch kind of series, whatever's on Sky. But one of Nick's friends recommended it to us and it's really good actually. We're probably on about the 8th series or something now. Yeah, it's definitely worth a watch. It's quite emotional as well. I don't know why, but nearly every time we end up watching it, we end up crying. So yeah, definitely worth a watch if you're looking for a new series. So yeah, I'll probably leave it there. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed our kind of autumnal day. Just a bit of a random vlog really. But anyway, yep, I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you are new, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!